In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save your work in Google Sheets, both online and offline, using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Google Sheets automatically saves your work in real time. You don't need to manually click a save button. Whenever you type or make changes, it instantly saves to Google Drive. You can confirm this by looking at the top where it says all changes saved in Drive. Now, if you want to use your sheet offline, here's what to do. Go to the File menu at the top. Click on Make Available Offline. This allows you to open and edit your sheet even without internet. Once you reconnect, all your changes will sync automatically. Next, if you want to save a copy on your computer, here's what to do. Go to File again, click on Download, choose the format you need like Excel, PDF or CSV. Your file will be saved to your device. That's it. Saving in Google Sheets is automatic online, and with offline and download options, you always have full control over your data.